Hi friends, this is a mobile from MI 20. We brought it after a long time. I think after 4 years. We booked it in Amazon. We just unbox it and see how it's a mobile and what's the build quality, what's the kind of accessories inside the box. Just trying to open it, and we get the box in complete red color with the branding of 10T. And here's the backside of the box. The specifications are there about the mobile. We just unbox the mobile brand box. The box quality is good, and for the box we got a wrap, and the wrap contains every details, like it's a barcode and it's memory specifications like RAM worth of 8 GB and internal memory space of 108 GB. And especially friends, I think there was a 5000 of difference, which you can get more for the 5000 of difference. This mobile cost I think around 50k, and if you put more 5k, the budget is there, so we can get a better mobile, like with internal RAM of 120 GB. Contains all manual OnePlus, and we got some manual guidance, and we got the card, like it was a red cable club card. I think it has some online cards. Kickstart guide was there, safety information guidelines, and what else? This is the safety information card, which has how to handle the mobile for the safety things. And this is the welcome card, it having the SIM card pin, and you can use it for the SIM card slot pin. Yeah, exactly. The logo of university, how it holds. Box quality was good, and apart from that we will see what else in the box. I think this is cable. Yeah, this is a cable. I think C2C cable is there for this box. Yeah, every mobile comes with the C2C cable of 10T model, right? We can transfer the data from mobile to mobile. Yes, C2C is the best thing. We are trying to get the data done transfer with cable, you can see, but it's taking a long time. And mobile gets with mobile pouch. It was simply awesome because the corners are raised, and for the protection of screen, the pouch is very good. And we didn't get any kind of a screen guard for this mobile in the box as the accessory part of. Out of that, mobile pouch was very kind of good quality, which was raised and enhanced for the rear camera. OnePlus brand logo. Yes, and it colors in blue gray color. Gets in under zipped for non-slippy. Yeah, here there you can see it was ripped in the way. As I said, we will get the accessory as for mobile, C2C cable, and this was the charger which will make the fast charging.